What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Joey Z and we back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I dropped the video. I've been away from the channel for a while. I just been focusing, working, getting right, man. I haven't really been posting even on social media or nothing. I just been, doing my thing. But I'm back this year. I'm gonna try to be consistent this year with uploads weekly as much as I can, man. I'm putting a lot of time into it this year. But anyways, before I get into talking about where I've been and where's my car and all that shit, we just gonna jump right into the video today. We're gonna link up with Pops. He's going to a car meet. I'm gonna introduce the new build to the channel. I think I mentioned it a little bit in the last video. I may have not. Nah, I don't even remember, honestly. I probably didn't, but as you guys will see, the car is being introduced to the channel. We got a 99, I believe, or a 2000. It's an EK. It's a sedan. It's boosted. We got some plans for it. Me and Pop's gonna get into it more once we link up with him and talk about the future for the car and everything and what's to come for the channel. But let's just jump right into the video. Let's get it. Got some Supras in the spot.
Off into the grass and then went back around. What do those make? The
GT3
horsepower.
Alright, yo, so I met up with Pops. I came by this car meet right here, but this shit is, everybody left. It's too damn cold, man. Way too damn cold. I'm not even probably gonna add the car meet to the vlog itself, but this year I could tell by as many cars that was here. I didn't really pick the camera up because I was walking around saying what's up to everybody because I haven't been out in a long time. But yeah, man, like I said, we're about to go somewhere else where there's a little more lighting so I can show you the new car for the channel. Yeah, man, let's get it. I'm here with Pops. Like I mentioned, we wanted to show y'all the new car we're bringing to the channel. This is it right here, man. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen the pictures we posted. This car looks a lot different from the day you got it, man. As you guys can see, it's an EK sedan. Boosted, as you probably heard in the rolling videos, which I might throw in after you've seen this clip already. Yeah, man, this is the new car for the channel. Got a lot of stuff in the works for it. Completely different from the day we got it, right? It looks way different. I'll probably throw in some before videos and pictures of how it looked when my dad picked it up. And it's completely different. As you can see, it's painted Nardo gray. You got the full JDM lip kit on it. It's molded to the bumper itself. No tints right now. You fishbowling it, but it's alright. As far as the engine goes, it is a D16 Y8 right now. Huh? Yeah, you can pop the hood. So it's a D16 Y8 for now. We're not sure. My dad's not sure if he wants to swap it or just full send the D16 and build it and see what we can get out of it before swapping it. Basically just beating it until something happens to it, you know what I mean? But here's the engine bay. Turbo.
550 injectors, 340 fuel pump, and it's on straight E85.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. Yeah, the car is on straight E85 right now. It's kind of on like a base map still until he actually tunes the car, but the car runs great. It's probably on what, like 8 pounds right now?
Yep, 8 pounds.
Yeah, like 8 pounds, 485. We're not sure what the car's making. You know, we don't know. I'd say anywhere between like, what do you think, like between like 220 to 260-ish?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Somewhere around there for now. Obviously, you know, we're gonna turn the car up like I said. Just not sure if we wanna build this motor or go ahead and throw a swap in it, like a B16 or even a K-Series. We might just build this motor and just
get whatever we can get out of it.
See what most we could get out of the motor until I ended up swapping it or changing it out. But yeah, like I said, this is one of the new builds to look out for the channel. Got a lot of plans, man. Sheesh, that thing is clean, bro. The interior is clean, man. It's mint in here, super mint. My dad also got some seats from an EP3 SI, but he hasn't put them in yet. You can see the boost gauges. The inside of this car is mint, bro. The whole car in general is just super clean, bro. For the year, it is mint. It's crazy because when my dad first got it, it had a muffler on it, and he took it off and basically straight piped it. And I don't know if the camera could pick it up, but it sounds just like a GTI. I don't know what it is, but it sounds like a Volkswagen or Audi or something. It doesn't sound like a single cam. But yeah, like I said, be on the lookout this year, man. I know I've been away from the channel for a while. I haven't really put a lot of videos out, but this year I'm gonna try to be consistent and drop as many videos as I can. Quality videos too, man. My car is gonna be back out soon. My dad Z, you know, that car is always gonna be on the channel. And like I said about this new car, we'll see what we can do with it. Hopefully some races we set up once we get the car dialed in. Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be a quick video. It was just a last minute thing, man. I've been planning to make this video for a while, but never had the chance to. So we're heading out from here. I guess there's some people at Mexico. They call it Mexico out here, where they race. Huh? But yeah, I guess there's people at Mexico. So I'm gonna probably take a ride by there before I go back home and call it a night. See if I get some extra footage to throw into this vlog. But yeah, man, bring y'all along for the ride. So I was gonna give my dad my GoPro so you can get some POV footage driving the car. I'll probably end up charging my GoPro so I can get that footage because the GoPro's dead. I'll probably take the car out one of these days and get some footage of it. Yeah, there's not gonna be really much going on in this video because I really just wanted to finally get another video out because I've been going for a minute since the last video I put out was when I went to that race motive event, which I'm definitely going to that event again this year. That event was dope, man. That event was dope. But yeah, man, let's see if there's any action going down in Mexico just so I get, oh, look at the Rolls Royce. Maybach music. But yeah, let's see if there's any action going down at Mexico that I could throw some extra footage in the vlog. Like I mentioned in the first clip, I met my pops at the car meet. Shout out to Lehigh Valley Underground. I think they're the ones that put the meet together. But I met him there and it was packed. When I first got there, I didn't even put the camera out. One, I was too cold, and two, I was just saying what's up to everybody that I haven't seen in a while. So I wasn't really pulling the camera out, and I wasn't really expecting. I was just expecting to shoot a video of Pop's car, but yeah. That's why I didn't really get much footage of that, but let's see what's going down in Mexico. I just pulled up. It's looking slow, Bucks. Man, it's been a minute since I came out, bro. It's been a minute since I had the camera in my face. But as you can see, man, it is looking very, very quiet out here, man. But hey, at least I got out. It's been a while. I was just really looking forward to get this video out, man. That's really it, honestly. I wasn't even expecting to come to no meets. As I picked up the camera to leave, bro, we got a Supra and a Mustang racing. I was just about to pick the camera up to leave. You can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit.
Oh my God.
Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Oh, that's the GTI coming.
Oh wait, nah, this is a GTI and a Lancer. there's some action going on, man. There's not that many people here tonight. I haven't been here in a while, but from what I hear, it's always packed at Mexico, man. I haven't been out here in a long time. We got a Supra and a Mustang about to race. Let's see.
I know.
Bro, they're doing a roll. Here they come. Alright, yo, so we pulled up. I tried to get some footage for y'all, but I'm freezing, bro. You got to see the Supra and the Mustang race. That's about all I got. Yes sir, man. So I hope y'all like that quick video I put out introducing the new car to the channel. A lot of plans in the works for that car, for sure, bro. A lot of different stuff, engine wise, obviously, because the car is very clean. You know what I'm saying? Cosmetic wise, I don't really need much. I'm probably gonna, if I haven't already in the video, because I just started editing it, so filming the outro now, a couple days later. If I haven't already put some clips of how the car looked before, you'll see it right now. You already know what to do, man. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This year, 100% consistency, man. I'm gonna put in the work, man. I hope y'all enjoy the content. The Z behind me under the cover. We're gonna save that for another video, but you already know. Make sure you like, subscribe. Let's get it.
Shit off the muscle, from the dirt and the muscle, that's right off the arm. Vest in the seats, trying to start me a farm. This and now when it blows, gonna sound like a bomb. Stuck in the store, I'ma be here for long. If no place being made, then I'm making a song. Jeff out when the box gonna